Hello, Jeffrey. Hi, this is Tony Finley coming to you live here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. Hey, 1 mile up the road from the Galleria on Highway 31. Jeffrey, you inquired about the 2017 Accent. You didn't specify any particular color or package that you were looking for. As you can see, I have three on right here behind me. They come in the four-door. They also come in the hatchback. They come standard with power windows, power door lock, tilt and cruise, keyless remote entry. You also have AM/FM with XM radio and CD player. Now they do have an automatic in them. They come with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty, and 5 years unlimited roadside assistance. But Jeffrey, we double the powertrain warranty to 20 years, 200,000 miles, and no cost and no strings attached. My name is Tony Finley. You can reach me here at 205-380-6250, or better yet, hit me on my cell at 205-335-3988. Give us a call. Let's set up a time for you to come in and test drive one of these beautiful vehicles. Go exactly what you're looking for as options and equipment. I guarantee you a great price and great service here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover.